YouTube. I hope you all are having a blessed day. It has been a very nice day here on the mountain. It has been very cool. It's in the 70s and it's very, very enjoyable. So I am here today with a small order from Blick. I wanted to try the Jackman's series of granulating watercolors, so I picked out a few and we're going to play with them today and see what they're like. Let me turn the camera around and we'll get started. I have made a little swatch card and I've put them in a spare tin that I had. I have 14 colors here and I have a few that were back ordered, so they'll show up eventually and I'll swatch them when they come. So the first one that I am doing is Sahara, and I'm thinking I'm going to do pebbles. I'm in the mood for some pebbles. Some mass tone here. Now this is not to be confused with Jackson's Art Supplies. This is Jackman's, Jackman''S. I believe that they are also in the UK. So that was Sahara. The next one is Skin Shadow. Oh my. That is heavenly. You know, if the color is going to be this bold and this drama filled, I am going to just swoon over it. Look at that. Get some extra water in there. And then I'll drop some more mass tone up here. So that is quite drama filled. The next one is Dusty Rose. And once they're dry, I'll come back and put the names up next to them, and I will put the pigment information next to them as well. So when we review these, I will give you all the particulars. I got the 5mm tubes, so I just wanted to try them. The next one is Potter's Pink. I adore Potter's Pink. And this one has a bit of the skin that formed over top of it already, so I'm trying to get some extra pigment out of the pan here. This was Potter's Pink, and the next one is Nebula. And I put some empty pans in here just as spacers so they didn't change order. Oh, this is already doing magic tricks. Very, very pretty. The next one is Mulberry. Oh my, that's delightful. And the next one is Amethyst. More mass tone up at the top. Alrighty, the next one is Desert Blue. Wow. That is crazy pretty. I think I'm going to run out of paper. The next one is Deep Sea Green. And it looks blue in the pan. The next one is Payne's Gray, and that is one of my all-time favorites. Wow! Oh my gracious! That is one of the prettiest Payne's Grays I think I've ever seen. That is something else, boy. Wow, that is pretty. Oh my, can't stop playing with it. The next one is Sage Green. Wow, what a color. That's pretty. The next one is Moss Stone Green. And this looks like an olive in the pan. Wow, that's pretty. Let's see if I can get a bit more color down here. Down to the last two. Can I get them in here? The next one is Rainforest Green. It's a warm green. That is a warm green. And yes, I'm making a mess, but that's okay. I just wanted to play with the colors. That surprised me. It really looked like a cool green in the pan, but that's a stunner. Oh wow, I do like that. Let's drop some water in it. And the last one that we have is Jade Green. Alrighty, when these are dry, I will come back and we will review. Here we are. They're still slightly damp, and you will notice that this looks different from when I turned the camera off. That was the first one, and I made a mistake on the names, so I said, okay, I'll start over. This one is Sahara, and it is PR233, PBR7, and PY43. This one, I don't notice any granulation, but it's supposed to be granulating. So that may have been my problem. Maybe I didn't use enough water. I do see some mild granulation in the first attempt. So that is PR254 and PR101. The next one is Dusty Rose. That is PV19, PR233, and PB35. The next one is Potter's Pink, and that is just beautiful. And as with any Potter's Pink, this is PR233. Next is Nebula, and that, oh man, that's stunning. PR233 and PB29. This one is Mulberry, and yes, I kissed my neighbor. Mulberry is PR177, PB29, and PG7. Amethyst, stunning. Let's see. This was the last one, and it does have granulation, but it's not as in your face as, say, like the Potter's Pink. So that's PV19, PB29, and PB35. Desert Blue, wow. Man, is this a stunning color. PB35, PR101, and PB29. Deep Sea Green is next, and that is PBK11, PB72, and PG7. And wow, that is stunning. That is really, really glorious. And Payne's Gray, one of my all-time favorite colors. This one does not disappoint. This is PBK6 and PB15. That is an absolute stunner. Absolutely knocked my socks off. And this next one is also unbelievable. This is Sage Green, and it is PR101, PR233, PB29, and PY150. We're on to the last three. This is Moss Stone Green, and it is PBR6, PG19, and PY43. Rainforest, PY83, PG19, and PB29. And a cooler version is Jade Green, and yes, I accidentally kissed my neighbor, PG19, PY150, and PB29. So what are my thoughts on these paints? They are absolutely stunning, and I can't believe I waited so long to try them. They're just beautiful. They have soul, they have life, they have a spirit. They are some of God's most glorious colors. And I will certainly be buying some more of Jackman's in the future. And I can say that these little 5mm tubes are worth it. They were in the range of $6 to $8, $6 to $9 each, and I filled a half pan, and I can easily probably get maybe a full pan with what's left in here. That's pretty good. And I got them on Blicks, and if I can link the product in the video, I don't know if Blick participates in that, but if I can find them on there, they will be linked in the product tab down at the bottom of the video that you see, a little bubble that pops up and says products. So I will definitely put them in there. If not, I will put them in the description. So yes, I looked at Jackman's Etsy store, and they were more expensive, and I looked on Jackson's Art Supplies, the US site, and they were more expensive there. So I wanted to save a little bit of money and get a bigger selection of paints to play with. I still have a couple that are on back order, so when I get them, I will swatch them out. These are stunning paints, and if you have a good coupon for Blicks, go have yourself a play. These are really beautiful. What bothers me about like Blicks, they're very industrial looking. I mean, they don't have any, it's not a very pretty website. And the paint samples that were there were horrible. If you go to Jackman's Etsy store, you'll see much more beautiful swatches and a little bit easier for you to make a determination as to whether or not you want to buy them or not. There were 3 different groupings of granulating paints, and I got all 3 of them. Again, I bought them on Blicks, so they weren't sold in a set. I had to buy them individually. Beautiful, beautiful paints. If you're in the UK, you're very, very lucky because you get these things easy. Here it takes a little bit more to get something so pretty, but these were absolutely wonderful. I had a great time. I hope you learned something. I hope you'll give these paints a try. They're just stunning. And I will see you right back here at 70 Acre Studio next time with our next video real soon. I love you all. God bless.
Good night, Elizabeth.
Good night, John Boy. You are